Told you,
I told you Suzuki is stupid.
Vaffanculo, Suzuki is very good. It's the stupid carburetor.
No.
Son of a bitch.
I told you use Honda, okay?
In fucking shit of the carburetor, son of a bitch.
Why hard start?
Very stupid carburetor.
Huh?
The carburetor is so stupid. Imagine no one can be to bet me in the starting. I was like the arrow of Robin Hood because.
Tarantado.
Yeah, go. Che cazzo è rompicoglioni dalla mattina alla sera?
Oh, what's wrong?
Affanculo a sole da mamma e del zio.
Why? What?
Perché fate schifo.
Huh? English? English?
Sto cazzo.
Putang ina mo. English? Why? What's the problem?
No, the fucking shit of the carburetor. Son of a bitch.
Why hard start?
Very stupid carburetor.
Huh?
The carburetor is so stupid. Okay, pipi.
Okay. So may reklamo si tatay guys. Sabi niya hard start daw. Tignan natin. Okay naman ah. Why?
I can giro
Oh, pumapalo.
It's always 3 hours before
Stupid bike. Because you say
I told you,
I told you Suzuki is stupid.
Vaffanculo, Suzuki is very good. It's the stupid carburetor.
No.
Son of a bitch.
I told you use Honda, okay?
In the Honda. Benel. Wait, you make me dirty the head?
No.
Just again, I don't do that. When I talk.
Okay, I will fix your bike.
Oh.
Okay, I change the carburetor.
No, you saw the problem when you try now and start again. In the morning, 4-5 minutes.
No. I will change this one. So guys, papalitan natin ng carb guys. Let's go. Ayan yung motor ni Papa guys. Ayan, naka-carb na siya guys. Itong 125 na Honda. Pero hindi ko alam bakit gumaganito siya sa early in the morning. Ito brand new ito eh. So, modify natin. Let's go. Papalitan natin ng ibang carb. Sa Wave 100 na siguro. So ayan guys, pinaklas na natin guys. Ayan. Ito yung carb guys. Tignan nyo. Ito yung carb niya guys. Sa Wave 125 ito guys. So ayan. Papalitan natin ng mas maliit. Papalitan natin ng pang badja 100. Kasi medyo ano din sa gasolina daw. Ayan. Mas patipirin pag natin. Mas patipirin pag natin. Ayan. So ito guys, ito yung carb na ginamit natin sa tatay natin na hard start guys sa Wave 125. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero try natin palitan itong maliit na pang badja. Ayan. Mas matipid, mas malakas ang low end, arangkada kasi maliit. Pero hindi ko mukhang wala itong dulo, pero okay lang kasi top speed ito kahit itong carb na to. Kahit 24 is ano lang eh, 110 to 120 lang talaga, kahit stock same lang sila. Nakakams na siya, mas mabilis lang yung acceleration, pero ang top speed same pa rin. Ayan. Try natin to. Let's go. So ayan guys, tapos natin i-tune guys. So papanda rin natin, tignan natin kung one click ba. Good. Yun, no? Tama. Malakas na ang arangkada. Kasi maliit yung butas. Mas mabilis pumasok yung hangin. Yan, no? Konting piga lang, no? Tapos pag i-pull mo, good siya. Yan, no? Stand. Stand. One click ba? Good. Okay.
No, it's good, this one.
Like? Sayang. Okay now?
Yeah, I'm still in my dream, in my head, Benelli. I don't know. I grew up with my Benelli. Maganda sopra grave. Can you imagine? No one can be to bet me in the starting. I was like the Arab Robin Hood because I tell you that in the video what's happened. I go my own way, normal, without making provocation, nothing. I just to enjoy myself. Stoplight, I stop. Boom, two big monster arrive, one or two or three, and they start to make a provocation. Boom, 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 and then I go silent, very silent. But I was like a Robin Hood with the arrow to wait the green, and when the green starts, I fly away. 500, 600 meters, they will never catch me. Later on, because they had more horsepower, because my top speed was only 140 kilometers per hour. That was a 50cc two-stroke B-cylinder Benelli. Fantastic. For the acceleration, best ever I had. Because later on I bought Cagiva, another Italian brand, Cagiva, Enduro style. That was totally different. But the Benelli.
Okay. You try na. You try your Suzuki. You like the Suzuki?
I really like it. I'm okay with it.
Okay.
When I was in Bacolod, I always make a care with everyone.
Sige.
In the city.
Go. Tarantado.
Okay, go!
So ayan guys, ayos. Goods talaga. Enjoy niya guys.